Yeah, it's
Dude became a billionaire off the backs of the American public. Like,
well. Let's talk about even though I like BlackRock, right? BlackRock owns a lot in the Ukraine, and if they lose the Ukraine, they stand to lose a lot of money. So do a lot of other people that own a lot over there. The only benefit is just all the the newly exported Ukrainian women across the world. That's incredible. But besides that, I mean, like,
the only benefit.
but the shit that should scare people is like usually some of these. This is the first kind of a little bit more of a modern war we've seen, kind of with social media being around. That it's going to be more of a drone warfare sort of. It's kind of like we're seeing the beginning, which is really scary. It's kind of like was the Spanish American War, or I'm trying to remember here, but where the Maxim gun. There was a couple of wars where we finally saw machine guns being used right before World War One. That if people paid attention to it, it would have really shown how bad it was going to get with machine guns, because people were still doing the classic run straight into the fucking gunfire and to get mowed the hell down. And these drones are only going to get more and more advanced, and it's going to be this whole thing where like you're literally like still in your compound and you get bombed to hell, and then or you walk out and you just get there's no honor in it at all. There's no honor. You're not even going to get killed. You're going to get killed by some dude eating McDonald's smoking a cigarette from a fucking Xbox controller. Yeah. That's how you're going to get taken out.
Yeah, I think they what do you call it? They have bases here in Nevada that do that.
Yeah. It's Chipotle, Miguel. It's Chipotle, not McDonald's. Oh, sorry. My bad. Oops.